The process of sari making begins with selecting the fabric, an essential aspect of the entire process. Fabrics used in sari making range from cotton, silk, chiffon, georgette, and many others, each with its unique texture and feel. The choice of material depends on the type of sari being made and the occasion it is meant for. For example, cotton saris are perfect for everyday wear, while silk saris are reserved for special occasions and ceremonies. Once the fabric has been chosen, the next step in the process is to prepare it for weaving. The fabric is washed and treated to remove any impurities and make it easier to work with. The process of preparing the fabric can take several days, depending on the type of fabric being used. After the fabric has been prepared, it is time to begin the weaving process. The sari is typically woven on a loom, which is a machine used to weave the fabric. The loom is operated by skilled craftsmen who have years of experience in the art of sari making. The weaving process involves interlacing threads of different colors and textures to create intricate patterns and designs. The process is done manually, with each thread being carefully placed to ensure that the final product is of the highest quality. The craftsmen use their fingers to adjust the threads, ensuring that they are placed correctly and tightly. The weaving process can take several weeks, depending on the complexity of the design and the size of the sari being made. Once the sari has been woven, it is time to add the finishing touches, which can include embroidery, sequins, and other decorative elements. The embroidery process involves adding intricate designs and patterns to the sari using a needle and thread. The embroidery is typically done by hand, and it can take several days to complete, depending on the complexity of the design. The embroidery is done on the palu, which is the decorative end of the sari that hangs over the shoulder. The sequins and other decorative elements are added to the sari using a special machine. The craftsmen carefully place the sequins and other elements onto the fabric, ensuring that they are spaced evenly and securely. Once the sari has been decorated, it is time to add the final touches, which include hemming and finishing the edges. The hemming process involves folding and stitching the edges of the sari to prevent them from fraying. The finishing process involves adding the final touches to the